Hello everyone and welcome to Marty's Corner. This is the first video of a brand new series. We just traveled from Los Angeles to Orlando International Airport. That is where we are. We just landed. We are at MCO and this is going to be an amazing 2 weeks ahead. So if you have not done so already, make sure you subscribe and click the bell notification icon so you don't miss any future uploads. There's going to be a lot happening. We are going to Walt Disney World. We're going to Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween Party, and we are going to be getting on the brand new Disney Wish cruise ship. I am really excited, and I am also excited to take you guys along with us. I'm not by myself this time. I got wifey right there, and
say hi. Hi.
And we got the kiddo Makayo right there. I am so excited and I am so grateful to take this trip, this vacation, and bring you guys along with me. Now we are going to get on the monorail, tram, whatever you want to call it, and we're going to go to the main terminal and go downstairs. And unfortunately there is no Disney Magical Express anymore. It is operated by Mears. It didn't cost that much. I think the three of us, it cost like $46. So that is what we are going to do now. I hope you are ready because I definitely know I am. Let's go do this. It's been 2 years since I've been here, and it's pretty much just as I remember it. I don't think this fountain was on the last time I was here, but it's pretty cool to see it on right now. Of course, we have our Disney store, and this one is definitely new to me. This large LED screen. Before it was just like kind of like the castle, and it was a static photo, but now it's actually like a really cool LED screen that goes through different scenes of the park. Again, the magic of Disney Store, I do believe they changed the name of it from the last time I was here. And of course you have SeaWorld over there and the Universal store. So this is actually a really cool backdrop right here. I really like this. It's really, really bright. You can definitely do some cool IG photos. But now it's time to go get on the bus for Mears, and we are going to be heading to Animal Kingdom Lodge, Kadani Village. Let's go. So for the Mears transportation to Disney World, you're going to go do side B, not side A. And you're going to pick up your luggage on level 2 and then go down to level 1 to pick up the bus. Notice right here, this used to say Disney Magical Express, but now it's just whited out. One thing to take note, there are very few signs. You see they removed all of the Disney Magical Express signs, so there's not a lot of signs here that tell you, you know, Mears Connect this way. So keep that in mind. And these, I want to mention real quick, these chairs right here, these straw chairs, I have been coming to this airport for Lord knows how many years. These chairs have never changed. All right, here we go. No reservation, no problem. There's your standard rates right here. We do have a reservation, and all we're gonna do is scan our QR code, and that's it.
You're all set up. You're gonna be in lane number 11.
11.
Yeah. Right, Dusty?
Where do you want to sit? Oh, keep going back. Keep going back. Let's go back a little further. A little further. Okay, anywhere you want. Anywhere you want. How about right here? All right, good job. Right, and we are off. We have just departed Orlando International Airport, and we are en route to the Walt Disney World Resort. It's about a 25-minute bus ride to get to the first resort, which I believe is Caribbean Beach. Is it Caribbean Beach? Is that the first resort? I think so. So Mears Connect, so far, what do I think? You're paying for a ride. There's no Disney theming. The buses don't have all the Disney wrap all over it. There's no Disney movie playing from the little TV. It's not themed anymore. So it is just standard transportation. But hey, it's not that expensive at all. Like I said, about $46 for all three of us, 2 adults and 1 child. The buses are comfortable and it gets you to where you need to go. So I am excited. I'm really excited. Are you excited?
Yes.
Where are we going?
The bus.
We're on the bus? And do you know where we're going right now? Are we going to Animal Kingdom Lodge?
Yes.
Are you really excited? Are you excited as Daddy is?
Yes.
What are we going to see there?
The animals.
Right. What sort of animals are we going to see? Are we going to see giraffe? Giraffe, yes. What about birds? Are we going to see birds?
Yes.
Yes. Are we going to see
A wolf.
elephants? Maybe. We may see elephants. Are we going to see
The wolf.
the wolf? Oh, I don't know if there's going to be any dogs there, but I do know that they have animals with really big horns, like ox. We're going to see those? All right, we're going to see them. You're excited, right?
Then you have to see yak.
A yak? Yeah, I think that was actually the word I was looking for. You're so smart. You're so smart.
See the zebra.
That's another one we're gonna see. I totally forgot about the zebra. This kid is smart. That's right, the
What
zebra.
the ant?
You know, you're gonna be my tour guide, okay?
What the kid?
I am just gonna follow you. I'm gonna follow you.
Not ant.
Can I have a kiss? Mwah. Did you get a present?
Yes.
What is that?
It's a Mickey.
Is that a magic band?
Yes.
Wow, can you tell me who the characters are? Who's this? Who's that one?
Photo.
Okay, who's this one?
Goofy.
Pluto? Who's that one?
Goofy.
Goofy, good job. Who's this one?
Donald Duck.
Donald Duck. Who's this one? Mickey Mouse. Good job. All right, do you know how to put it on? Look, it goes like this. Watch. Wow, look at that. That is magical. All right. What do you think? We're officially in Walt Disney World. Can you say hooray?
Hooray.
Hooray! We're so tired.
It was already above us. See those things? That's how we get to the parks. Yeah, we're right there. To the parks. Watch out this way. See, we're getting those.
are almost there. Everyone else has already gotten off at Art of Animation or Pop Century, so we're the only ones on the bus now. We should be arriving shortly, and we are Instacarting pizza to the room because we have not eaten anything since yesterday, and we are both absolutely famished. Welcome home. We finally made it to our room. We're at Kadani Village, room 7830, and this is going to be a Savanna View. I don't know what it looks like. Kai, you have a magic band on. I want you to take this and press it up to the door. Can you do that? Right, like this. Open the door. Open the door. Wow.
That's 3 rooms. It's 3. Whoa.
One thing about Kadani Village is, depending upon where your room is, if it's like towards the end of like the building, you gotta walk like a mile to get there since there's only one entry point. But we're finally in the room. Let me show you around. So right when you enter, we have our little kitchenette. This is a 1-bedroom deluxe studio. So actually, I take it back. It's not a 1-bedroom deluxe. It's a deluxe studio. So there's no full kitchen in this room. We get a kitchenette, microwave, sink, coffee maker, and it opens that way. Mini fridge. A little trash can right there. This is gonna be your connecting room right here. What do you think? What do you think so far?
I think.
Yeah, okay, give us the tour. What is this? What is this? What room is this?
3.
Room number 3? Okay, this is the bathroom. Nice marble here. And standard shower. But I do love the detail of what they do here at Animal Kingdom. This is our favorite resort. Now, I haven't stayed at all of them, but I definitely want to get to a couple more, like Riviera and the Grand Venetian, all those. Did I say just Grand Venetian? Grand Victorian. Let's see. Let's do a lime check here. Let's see how we're looking on the lime. Pretty minimal. Pretty minimal. Okay. So continuing on with the bathroom, in here we're gonna have the toilet. Here's the toilet. All right, you guys ready? We gotta do the flush test. Flush test. Oh, wow. Great job. I'm gonna give that a 5 out of 5 for the flush test. I was not expecting that. All right, let's move on. Here we have a small closet. Have some extra pillows and blankets. And you have a safe right here. Put all your important documents in. There's an ironing board and an iron. What do you like? You like that? This is queen size bed. What do you got there? What's this? You got some Disney Disney information right here. Take along Guide to the Magic. All right. So I don't know. Does this look like a queen size bed? I'd say it's maybe more like a full.
It's like a full.
Yeah, more like a full. Okay, we have our phone. You have your remote control. It's in plastic. Everything's been cleaned. All right, we have 2 USBs on this side of the bed. Always very important. But nothing on this side of the bed except for 2 standard plugs. All right, and here we have a dresser, or is it a dresser? That's a dresser. What do we call this? Closet? No, that's a closet. Okay. These are hangers. I've always loved the furniture in these rooms. They're just so detailed. Drawers. Flat screen TV. On a table, you have a couch here that does pull out. It does pull out to, I think, yeah, this one's a queen. That pulls out to a queen. I'm looking for stains. You guys know how picky I am. Looking for stains. I mean, it looks a little older, looks a little dusty, but I don't see anything horrible. You know I'm gonna do it, right? All right, let's do it. Oh, fail. They failed the dust test. Oh no. All right. Whoa, it's still floating. Still floating. So a little dusty, little dusty. We have a table here. 2 pretty big chairs, a nice mirror. Yeah, you want to go out there. He wants to take you guys to the main event. So let's check out the main event. The main event, and the one that takes me the most time to figure out how to open. Here we are. The reason why I booked this room is so you can wake up in the morning with your coffee to this.
Daddy, look in the side.
Look at that. Look, what are they doing? Are they playing?
One, then we took it back on view. See it.
Oh.
Daddy, look! Look!
Hey, don't be too loud.
Like you can hear their horns as they click. Looks like we have another friend over here.
There's the giraffe. Kai.
Walking over here. Looks like we have a baby giraffe right over there. This is a great location. So we are on the 4th floor. There's 5 floors in total. You can see over there we have some ostrich. At least 2 ostrich that I see. There's 1 and 2 there. We have some other animals over there. I am working with a brand new camera, so I'm still getting used to this. The zoom is not fantastic. But this is really why you want to book a Savanna View here at the Animal Kingdom Lodge. Waking up to this, drinking coffee, let me tell you, is like no other wake up that you've ever experienced. So there are a few barriers right here. If you look at this one right here, this is a barrier for the animals. There's some wires in there, so if they touch them, it gently lets them know that that is the point where they should not cross. Doesn't hurt them. It's kind of like the same sort of technology that you put in your yard for the dogs when you don't have a fence. And then here you have the service road. They'll come in, take care of the animals, put out food. Now, as I was saying, you can see the lobby for Kadani Village is right over there. Okay, and that's where you come in. But if your room, this is kind of shaped in like a heart. So it comes this way, goes around this way, and then pretty much ends right over there. So imagine you come in, and if your room is right over there, you have to walk this entire way, all the way around there, all the way around over there. So you definitely get your exercise. Overall, I think this room looks pretty nice. We usually stay in the one bedroom, which has the bedroom completely separate, has a living room and kitchen. But for this one, we're staying a little bit longer. We're here for a week and a half. So that would have been nice, but it's much more expensive when it comes to the points. We're DVC members, so everything is point-based here. But I think this will be fine. Week and a half, we're not gonna be in the room that much. We're gonna be out exploring the parks, exploring all of Walt Disney World. We're gonna kind of wing it, all right? So every day is going to be a brand new adventure. But for now, we're not done. We're gonna get something to eat, and then we are going to explore Kadani Village a little bit. Our thing, a little bit of Disney magic just happened. It's the small things, right? We just turned on the TV and look at this. How cool is that? Welcome, the Ross family. That's us. Is that cool?
So cool.
It's the little things. Thank you, Disney. What you got there, Mama?
Pizza.
All right. And you need some drinks with that, huh?
Yes, sir.
All right, well, let's go check out the store here at Kadani Village. Got your mugs. I've never had a zebra dome, you know that? I've never had a zebra dome.
Get one? Okay, we'll get one.
We got wine. Wine is nice. If you have a refillable mug, probably do that over there. Do some pin trading over here. See, I already hear other people talking about zebra domes. I've never. Are they gold?
Yes.
I've never had a zebra dome in my life. I may have to change that. Oh, I like this. What is this? Oh, this is so cute. I don't know if it's $55 cute, but it's cute. Oh, they upgraded the Kuna Matata shirt. Uh-oh. Wifey gotta look at the Dooney and Burks already. Oh, no. This is kind of plasticky to me. This is a newer Dooney and Burke. I like this one. These are cute. Got some Lady and the Tramp going on. And some lounge flies. Oh, they have DVC lounge fly. I like the retro member one. That's pretty cool. Are we in trouble?
Yes, but we'll have to come back. Gotta eat first. Look, it's gonna get cold.
It's your keychains. This is cute. Got some iridescence. Oh, you got member ears.
Yes, I saw that.
For $30. I like this. This is cool. That's cute. It is not $39 cute though. No, 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 no. Oh my goodness. Oh no. I've just been told there's multiple zebra domes, not just one.
Yes.
Okay.
This is the gluten-free ones.
Gluten-free?
But I think these are more fabulous than these. Only because, so if you look at the bottom has a chocolate, it's like a dome, but the chocolate base.
Oh.
And then this one, which is the regular ones, have a pastry base.
Oh.
So what it is there's chocolate mousse in there. It has white chocolate on it as the dome, and then milk chocolate, and then sprinkles all around it. Obviously the milk chocolate is the bottom on this one, and then this one has the pastry. My suggestion, eat these at night. Okay. Or you could try each one, but mine is a snack as this, and then a breakfast little thing in the morning for this if you like chocolate in the morning.
All right, Corey,
try these.
We're gonna do it.
Definitely.
I'm going to get in so much trouble in all the stores. I mean, that's just like the teeny little store here at the resort. And I already wanted to buy everything. But here's this little nook here in the lobby area, and it's so cute. I think we're gonna eat our pizza, and you can see the Savanna. It's awesome. Check this out. There's wifey. What do you got there, buddy? Are you coloring? Nice. We got 3 huge pizzas. Someone was hungry. Got a nice little fireplace going on there. And outside, he says, "Oh, pizza." And outside, oh, look at this. Rocking chairs. And these will explain all, oh, look at that bird, wow. Explain all the animals that you can see out here on the Savanna. I love this resort. I can't tell you how much I love this resort. There's viewing areas over here. Tells you all about the animals. People get up close, personal. It is so awesome here. And it's peaceful. Like, you just don't hear anything except for the crickets. Honestly, I wish I could live here. Okay. Time to go eat some pizza. All right, what did we get? We got cheesy bread. Wifey, what'd you get?
Ta-da!
Ooh, that looks yummy. Oh, wow. Is this what I ordered? Oh my gosh. Oh my Lord.
Oh, wow.
Don't judge me. Don't judge me. All right, like I said, I've never had a zebra dome in my life before. I know you're probably wondering like what sort of rock I've been living under. So this one has more of like the cake bottom. I'm gonna try this one first.
Me, please.
Okay, maybe he's gonna try it first. All right, you can tell me. Oh, they're cold. They're squishy. Go ahead, tell me. What do you think? He says, mmm. All right.
Yummy?
Let me try it. Mmm. Oh my. Okay. Yeah, so it's like mousse in the middle. Oh, this is
yummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy.
oh, okay. Here, have some more. Come here, so people can see your beautiful face. Is it good? All right, Mama, what do you think? You want to try this? All right, here.
Meat?
What do you think?
That's a meat. Meat first.
Oh my, these zebra domes are like crack.
That's a
I
meat.
don't know what crack is like, but I know it's very addicting. Wow. Okay, so this was.
Wow, that was good.
I don't know if that was the case. I don't know. Okay, so this one right here, this one is the gluten-free one. Okay. Which looks like it has a little bit more chocolate. All right. Yeah. So this one
Another one.
has like this chocolate here.
More.
All right.
Yes, brown.
Yeah.
Try some.
Sprinkles, yeah.
Try.
Not just
All
the
right.
brown sprinkles.
Sprinkles.
Oh, that sounds crunchy. Oh, there's like a hard chocolate on the bottom. Okay.
This is more smoother. Like,
Okay. So this one definitely more chocolate. Okay. So this has Kahlua in it. Okay.
okay.
Yeah, that's what she said. This one has Kahlua in it. And as far as it being gluten-free, I couldn't tell the difference between this one and the other one.
I don't know.
These are delicious.
One more?
Zebra domes. I'm not a huge chocolate lover, so if I had to pick, I think I would pick this one.
That's a fire.
Just because it just doesn't have like the hard chocolate on the bottom.
It's a
I
fire.
love chocolate. The gluten-free one is the best.
Can
These
you
are
open that?
fantastic.
Okay, sit next to you.
Wow.
Daddy, let's go back. So
Looks like one of the birds made it through.
You see it? Oh.
Where's he going? Where's he going? Hello. Stop.
So we went back to the gift shop, and since this little man has done such a good job traveling all day, what'd you get? What'd you do?
Mickey Mouse.
Mickey Mouse. What else did you get? Who else did you get? Mickey Mouse? Who else?
Three.
Pluto. Pluto.
One.
Goodness gracious. Who's this? Who's this?
Go.
Goofy. You're Goofy. You're Goofy. Okay, that's the tree you were talking about. And who's this?
Donna.
Oh, Don. Okay, and who's this last one? Who's this? Okay, Minnie. Okay, I don't think I can handle any more. Okay, all right. So we'll open this for you. Okay. Oh my gosh, we got some chips. Oh, this way.
Yeah.
We got some milk. Oh, what do you mean? That's your milk. Okay. And since Daddy's been a good boy all day, and I've had like 2 hours sleep in the past 2 days, I got a couple pins. All right, these are DVC member exclusive. This guy is, I don't know what he's on. All right, so that's what they look like right there. I don't know if you can see that. All right, these were, ow, these were $24.99. It's painful, I know, but what are you gonna do for the pins? And the last thing we got is this cup right here. Now this is a refillable cup.
That's Mickey Mouse cup.
It is a Mickey Mouse cup. All right, it's good for soda fountain,
right.
coffee, tea. Has a little microchip on the bottom. Most of the resorts do this. It's good for all of the resorts throughout the entire property to include your entire stay. So we're here for a week and a half. It's good for a week and a half. If we were here for Daisy, if you're here for 3 weeks, good for you. Then it would be good for 3 weeks.
Good for you. Good for you.
This guy's too much. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Mwah.
Oh, no.
Well, I think that's going to do it for today. It has been a long travel day, but a successful one. We went from LAX to Orlando. We took Mears travel over here to the Animal Kingdom Lodge, Kadani Village. We had some yummy pizza, and we got to do a little pre-shopping before the real damage is done. So yeah, I'm super excited and I am super grateful, and I am so happy that you guys are along with us for this ride and this Disney vacation adventure, whatever it turns out to be. Tomorrow, I'm not sure what we're doing tomorrow, but it's definitely going to be fun. Maybe we'll do a theme park, maybe we'll go to the pool, but whatever it is going to be an adventure, and I hope you stay tuned and you are subscribed to the channel so you don't miss out on even more adventures to come here in Walt Disney World. Take care of yourselves and each other. Peace.